What does CoQ10 do for the heart? Heart disease is the #1 killer in America. In fact, every 40 seconds, someone is having a heart attack. If you are concerned about your odds and want to know the answer to this question, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing 4 of the main benefits of CoQ10 for your heart health. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Dr. Kelly Shockley, Doctor of Cause Chiropractic, board certified in sports medicine and specialized in clinical nutrition. In this video, we're going to be going over the #1 benefit you'll get from adding CoQ10 to your daily regimen. It is not one that you want to miss out on if you are wanting to protect yourself from heart disease. This is one you don't want to miss if you're concerned about heart disease. Then we'll cover CoQ10's little known benefit that makes it your heart's superhero. And next, I'll be sharing with you a key feature that has everything to do with the muscle of your heart itself. And then finally, I'll be discussing which form of CoQ10 is best for you so you truly receive the full benefit. Let's get started. The #1 benefit you'll get from adding CoQ10 to your daily regimen is heart disease prevention. At its core, at its finest, CoQ10 is critical for everything related to optimal heart function. So adding it into your regimen is going to help you prevent heart disease. If you want to use CoQ10 for this benefit, it is best done though through consistency, which means you want to take it on a daily basis. I'm curious, did you have any idea that CoQ10 is actually one of the best nutrients that helps prevent you from developing heart disease? Just tell me down in the comments below. What is CoQ10's little known function that makes it your heart's superhero? Well, it's all about the function. It is protective of the function of your heart. One of the things CoQ10 does is it's a powerful antioxidant, which protects your heart from what's known as oxidative stress. Oxidation is what happens when you see metal rust, okay? You don't want that happening on the inside of your body. So antioxidants are one of the types of categories of nutrients that help to neutralize what's called free radicals. They're the guys that are responsible for oxidative stress. You really don't want that process happening in your heart, and CoQ10 is specific for making sure that oxidative stress is not a factor when it comes to the heart muscle. When our bodies experience a high level of oxidative stress, it can be stressful to every single cell in the body. It can lead to things like kidney failure or damaging your DNA. So one of the benefits of the CoQ10, by adding that in, it's been shown that it can actually prevent the risk of developing heart disease by as much as 70%. So if you needed any extra reason to add CoQ10 to your daily regimen, 70% decrease in risk of developing heart disease, I think is a pretty good solid winner. Now, before I get into the key feature that has everything to do with the muscle of the heart itself, I just want to remind you to click that subscribe button down below, turn the notifications on. That way you never miss out on a future episode. I am regularly producing videos around cardiovascular health, brain health, everything related to you being able to take back control of your health so you can achieve what I like to call total body mastery. So just click that subscribe button down below, turn the notifications on, and you'll be set. Awesome. Now, what is this key feature of CoQ10? Well, it actually supports the integrity of the heart muscle itself. The heart muscle are the cells that make up the heart, if you want to think of it that way, okay? These cells are what allow the heart to beat regularly on demand and with ease. As I was just mentioning, CoQ10 is really helpful for reducing oxidative stress, which when that also happens, you're protecting the health and integrity of the muscle cells that make up your heart. Life is already crazy enough as it is. We don't need the cells of the heart not being able to function the way that they should be either. So CoQ10 really supports the cells of the heart, not just the function of the heart itself. Now, there's a few different forms of CoQ10 out there, and it can be a little confusing as to know which one should I actually take. The 2 that I utilize in my office are ubiquinol and ubiquinone. Now, ubiquinone, I actually use for my older patients, like 60 plus, even 70 plus, okay? And ubiquinone works better if it's taken with an omega-3 fatty acid. It kind of just helps with the delivery into the cell. But ubiquinol can be anybody, less than age 70 that wants to help protect the heart. Ubiquinol generally is something that is absorbed faster. It works well for people who already have issues like high cholesterol or high blood pressure. The ubiquinol form also is where we'll get more benefit of heart disease prevention and optimizing the function of the heart. The ubiquinone, again, as I said, needs to be taken with an omega-3 fatty acid in order to help get it into the system. And where it shines is it really is good for maintaining the health of the muscle of the heart. So when in doubt, just do ubiquinol. It's probably the easier one to use unless you're over the age of 70, then go for the ubiquinone. And dosing really just kind of depends on if you're male or female and how frequently you're going to be taking it. So we can find out more details when you actually know which form of COQ10 you need to be taking. Now, if you're really concerned about heart disease, the best way to really know your risk and know what you need to do specifically to you versus just starting to take something because it sounds really good on paper or in video is to be able to test what your current level of health actually is and understand that information and know how to formulate a plan based off of what your current results are. I would like to invite you to my free 5-day health challenge, which actually doesn't take you 5 days to get through, that I lay it all out for you and explain in full detail how you can do this from the comfort of your home. By the end of it, you'll know how to determine the exact level of your current health, how or why you're dealing with any current health issues, whether it's heart related or not, and then how to actually create your own roadmap, which is your path that moves you forward so that you can start reclaiming your health or at least optimizing your health so you don't have to worry about heart disease or many other diseases or illness as you get older. And honestly, that's what life is all about. Have high quality of life, get the most out of life while we're here. So if you want to come to that 5-day health challenge, all you need to do is look into the description down below this video, click on it so it expands, and look for that link. It's a free 5-day health challenge. And as soon as you click the link, you'll be signed up and you can start learning this process and how you do this from the comfort of your own home. I appreciate you guys so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. God bless.